If you're thinking about replacement windows for your home, chances are somewhere along the way you started comparing Renewal by Andersen and Infinity by Marvin. Now you're wondering, what's the actual difference between these two, and which one's right for my home? You're not alone. This is a common comparison question that homeowners ask us almost every single week. Both are strong, full-service replacement brands with a lot in common, but there are real differences that can impact which choice is right for your home. I'm Brandon Kimbler, design consultant for Renewal by Andersen, and in this video, we're comparing the 3 things that'll matter most when comparing these two companies: the materials used in their products, the installation experience, and the warranty they offer. And stick around to the end, because I'll give you a simple way to figure out which one of these brands is the right call for your home. Let's start with comparing what the windows are actually made of. Renewal by Andersen's Acclaim replacement windows are built with an exclusive Fibrex composite material that combines wood fiber with a polymer. Infinity by Marvin uses Ultrex material, made with 100% fiberglass strands. Both are durable, which allows for narrow frames and more glass area. The difference is what you get from the material itself. Fibrex material is built to give you the strength and beauty of wood with minimal upkeep. Ultrex material is engineered for strength, with a smooth, lasting finish that resists scratching, denting, and fading. Which one's right for you often comes down to the look you want for your home. The windows themselves are one thing, but now let's compare the buying experience and the installation. Infinity by Marvin works through an independent partner network, local experts who handle your project from the in-home consultation through the installation, all backed by the broader Marvin brand. Because each partner operates independently, the experience can vary. So their local reviews and track record are worth looking into before you choose who to go with. Renewal by Andersen takes a different approach. One company with a standardized installation process at every location. Most installs are handled by a team of certified master installers, people who've gone through Renewal by Andersen's own training and certification program before they ever work on your home. And the install process itself is the same, no matter what city you're in. You know, something I hear from homeowners pretty often is they bought windows somewhere, were referred to an installer, and when something went wrong, nobody could agree on whose fault it was. They all pointed at one another. With Renewal by Andersen, one company does it all, so there's nowhere to pass the buck. Okay, third comparison. What does a warranty cover? This is the part of the window project many homeowners don't think about until 10 or 15 years later. It's also where these two brands differ the most. Renewal by Andersen's warranty covers both the product and the installation. 20 years on standard glass and Fibrex material, 2 years on installation, and 10 years on non-glass parts like hardware. Infinity by Marvin offers a limited lifetime warranty on the product, with a separate installation warranty available through their partner network and Infinity replacement locations. So, the practical difference here? Renewal by Andersen builds installation coverage into the warranty. With Infinity by Marvin, installation coverage is set by your installer, and the terms can vary across their network. So it's worth asking exactly what's included in the estimate. Another difference is, what happens if you sell your home? Renewal by Andersen's warranty transfers to the new owner with the same terms. With Infinity by Marvin products, the lifetime warranty is tied to the original purchaser. So when you sell your home, coverage for the new owner drops from their lifetime down to their 10/20 limited warranty, forever how much time remains from the original purchase date. If you're planning to stay in your home long term, that may not matter much. But if there's any chance that you'll sell down the road, it's worth knowing the difference going in. That's why 2 warranty questions are worth asking any company you're considering. Does the coverage include installation? And does it transfer if you sell? So, how can you figure out which brand is the right for your project? Here's the quick breakdown. Infinity by Marvin is going to be a strong choice if Ultrex material is the look you prefer, and if their independent partner network has strong reviews in your area. Renewal by Andersen is going to be the stronger option if comprehensive warranty coverage is what's important to you, and you want the peace of mind of knowing every installation is done in the same way no matter where you live. Remember at the top, I promised you a simple way to figure out what company is the right call for your home? Here it is. It comes down to what you prioritize most. Take the three things I just covered: materials, service, and warranty. Then rank them in order of importance for your home. Whichever's at the top of your list is the one that should help drive your decision. Look back at each comparison through that lens, and the right brand for your home should stand out. Okay, quick recap. 3 things to consider. Materials. Renewal by Andersen's Fibrex composite material versus Infinity by Marvin's Ultrex material. Both engineered for low maintenance. Installation. Infinity by Marvin's independent partner network versus Renewal by Andersen's certified master installers. And warranty. Renewal by Andersen's included installation coverage versus Infinity by Marvin's limited lifetime, as well as what transfers if you sell. And the same framework works whether you're comparing these 2 brands or any other window company you look at. Apply it to every quote you get. If you'd like to talk through what a replacement project looks like specifically for your home, hit the link in the description and we can set up a free in-home consultation with one of our design consultants at Renewal by Andersen. Either way, good luck with your project, and thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, you can always save this video to come back to when you're ready to start comparing quotes. Be sure to check out our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe.